How crypto tokens really work from creation to launch. If you've ever wondered how cryptocurrency tokens are actually created, not just traded, this video will show you exactly how it works. I'll walk you through the entire process from blockchain basics to live deployment. And yes, I'll even show you how to create your own token step by step. Before we begin, if you find this content valuable, please hit like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow so I can make more in-depth guides like this one. First, what exactly is a cryptocurrency token? At its core, it's a smart contract, a set of programmable rules on a blockchain. The most common standard is ERC-20, which defines how tokens are transferred and how balances are tracked. The blockchain serves as a public ledger that records every transaction. This is why crypto is decentralized. No single entity controls it. The network of computers running the blockchain software validate and record all activity. I'm curious, what kind of token would you want to create? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's discuss what actually makes tokens valuable. There are three critical components. First, utility. What can the token actually be used for? Platform access? Voting rights? Second, scarcity. Is there a limited supply? Are tokens being burned? Third, demand. Is there genuine interest from users and investors? The most successful projects master all three. What do you think is most important: utility, scarcity, or demand? Share your thoughts below. Here's how you actually create a token. Step 1. Set up your development environment using Remix IDE. It's free and browser-based. Step 2. Write your smart contract in Solidity. Step 3. Compile and deploy to your chosen blockchain. Step 4. Verify your contract and add liquidity. Important note: most tutorials don't cover the essential security checks needed before deployment. After your token goes live, the real work begins. First, create liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges. Second, get listed on tracking sites like CoinMarketCap. Third, build your community through social media. Fourth, consider a pre-sale for initial funding. The biggest mistake I see? People skipping the marketing plan. I've created a 30-day launch checklist that works even if you're starting from zero. If you want it, check the description for. Here's the reality: anyone can create a token, but creating a successful one requires the right knowledge, tools, and strategy. The crypto space moves fast, and opportunities don't last forever. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. I'd also really appreciate it if you shared this with someone who might benefit from it. For those who want to go deeper, I'm offering free consultations this week to the first 20 people who message me on Telegram. The link is in the description. Let me know in the comments what crypto topics you'd like me to cover next. Oh,